How to link a button to a page on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can link a specific button, right? So that whenever you click on that button, it's going to redirect you to some kind of page. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now currently, if I just go ahead and show you my pages, right? You can see I have different type of pages. So let's say I'm inside the privacy policy page. I'll just go to the edit button. I'll exit the code editor, and now you can see this is how it is going to look like. So basically, I'm just going to go to the edit icon from the top left, and then I'll just select edit over here. And then I'll just make the changes, which means that I'll add a random button in this case. So I'll just go ahead and then make sure to add a random button by just clicking the plus icon here. And then you'll see all this. In the search box, I'll just search for buttons. So here I'll just select this button. Now once I select a button, I want to enter how the button is going to look like. So I could just type in click here. So when I type in click here, basically you can see this is how it is going to look. Now if I want to add a link, which means that whenever people click on this, they'll be able to be redirected to a specific link. What I need to do is I just need to click on this button right over here, which is the link or control K. So basically over here, you have to simply paste the URL of your page, which means that if you have a certain page within your own website that you want to redirect the users to, you can just select that page, or you can select a random page, which means let's say you want users to be redirected to facebook.com. You just want to go to facebook.com, make sure to copy the URL, and then you want to paste it over here. Then if you want users to open this in a new tab, you can do that, or if they want it to open it the same tab, you can select that. I'll just select open in new tab, and then once I've finished it, you can see my button. I'll just hit on publish. Now once I've published it, I'm going to go ahead and view this page, and then I'll show you by clicking that button. You can see the click here button, right? So when I click the click here button here, it will directly redirect me to the new page. And that's basically it on how you can actually add a link button to your WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.